Science enables children to understand the world in which they live. Here at Our Lady of Lourdes, we aim to harness and develop the natural curiosity of all children, so that we create inquiring minds with a systematic approach to problem solving. At every key stage, children learn about the world around them and how they can care for it. They learn about themselves and their bodies and how they can keep themselves fit and well. The three areas of science, biology, chemistry and physics, are taught within themes such as life and living processes, physical processes and materials and their properties. Children are taught to work scientifically through each topic, with a strong focus on helping them to plan and carry out their own investigations, as well as think about the way others have carried them out.
We live in such a technological world. These children are already so proficient at using iPads, as you've seen in this classroom. They already know how to use it. So we do have a separate IT curriculum, which is the Rising Stars curriculum, and each of the year groups has a separate one, and it progresses per each year group. So we start looking at algorithms on a quite basic level, the children putting in data into a little bee-bot, which they have lots of fun doing, and then it progresses up further on the school. G2.
We have been very successful in our bid to secure a Raspberry Pi weather station. This means that our school joins 1,000 other schools globally as part of a wide-range science and computing project, which allows our children to access some amazing educational opportunities.
The Raspberry Pi is a British invention that puts programming into the hands of anyone. The Raspberry Pi Foundation put together 1,000 kits of weather stations and distributed them to, on a random basis, 1,000 schools. Most of those schools were secondary. I believe that we are one of the few, if not the only, primary school to get one. The next phase is to get the kids not only programming but utilising the weather station to take real-world measurements of wind speed, of rain, of wind direction, and temperature, pressure. All of these things can be fed back into the work that they're doing, but also teaching them from a pretty early age what programming is about. And it's not only about playing with iPads, or kids do like doing it, but it's about programming in the real world.
Which group has more? So click on it and then press the green button.
Tell me about Zog.
Zog is our alien friend that we have in year one. He asks the children questions. There might be 3, 4 or 5 questions every week. Myself and my year group partner plan these questions as a form of extending the children. So it might be they've completed a challenge or what they've been doing in class, and then it's that next step. It's taking them to that next step, and the children love it. They're so enthused, and it's a case of, oh, Zog wants me to go and figure this out, and it gives them a sense of achievement when they can do it, and if they could do more than one in a lesson, that's fantastic. And it also gives us a tool to gauge where the children are. If they're able to answer the Zog question, we can make them harder next time.